calm. You saw for yourself that it wasn't necessary. You saw that his promises were completely empty, yeah. Baby girl, you saw that it didn't worth it at all. You saw that he just wasted your time. I remember telling you this day and night, but it wasn't your fault. Seriously, you were in love. I remember that, I understand, but now you have a chance to own your ways once again, to be truly loved, to be happy again. La 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 la. Go forward. Now that you know he was just playing with you, keep moving. Continue your journey. Come, let me comfort you and give you a love that never ends. Guys of today are difficult. What I know for sure is that you loved him for real. Don't hold a grudge against yourself. Just move on, girl. Be happy. Go in.